Hey there, amazing viewers. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm beyond excited to share my personal journey with you. How I transformed my body fast. I know many of you are curious about my transformation, and I'm here to spill all the details. It wasn't easy, but with dedication, hard work, and a few smart strategies, I was able to achieve my goals. So let's dive right in. Tip number 1: set clear and realistic goals. The first step in my transformation journey was setting clear and realistic goals. I outlined exactly what I wanted to achieve, both in terms of weight loss and muscle gain. Having specific, achievable goals gave me something to work towards every day. Tip number 2: commit to consistent workouts. I committed to consistent workouts. I found a fitness routine that I enjoyed, something that made me excited to work out every day, whether it was dance workouts, weightlifting, or yoga. Finding something I loved kept me motivated and consistent. Tip number 3: prioritize nutrition. Nutrition played a massive role in my transformation. I focused on a balanced diet, incorporating plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. I also paid attention to portion control and stayed mindful of my calorie intake. Tip number 4: stay hydrated and get enough sleep. Staying hydrated and getting enough sleep were game changers for me. Drinking water kept my energy levels up, and proper sleep allowed my body to recover and repair. Both are crucial for any transformation journey. Tip number 5: stay accountable and stay positive. I stayed accountable to my goals, whether it was through a fitness buddy, a supportive community, or tracking my progress. Having accountability kept me on track, and most importantly, I stayed positive. There were days I felt discouraged, but I never gave up. Positive thinking and self-belief are incredibly powerful tools. So there you have it, my friends, the key tips and strategies that helped me transform my body fast. Remember, every journey is unique, and it's essential to find what works best for you. Stay dedicated, stay focused, and believe in yourself. You are capable of incredible things. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video inspiring or helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have your own transformation story or tips to share, please do so in the comments below. Stay motivated, stay positive, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, take care and keep pushing towards your goals.